If your creativity meets technology and you want your dreams to become reality, this academy is for you. Introducing Unity, the world's unrivaled real-time 3D creative platform, empowering you to craft immersive and captivating experiences in the realms of 2D, 3D, VR, and AR. If you're a creator with the ambition to start working in 3D, VR, gaming, or other forms of real-time interactive development, Unity will get you there. Don't let the word game fool you. The gaming industry is not child's play. It is the largest, fastest-growing media industry in the world. It's bigger than Hollywood, and it dwarfs the music business, making more than $100 billion a year. At Semos Unity Game Development Academy, you will receive a well-rounded education in the arts and sciences, with courses that cover techniques in game design, game programming, concept art, 3D modeling, and animation, among others. In the end, you will get a degree from Semos and a certificate from Unity for 2D game development and 3D game development. Catch this golden opportunity, launch your career in game development, and step into a world where you can unleash your creative genius and shape the future of interactive experiences.